What if I told you that your brain decides whether someone is a friend or an enemy in just 0.1 seconds, long before you can even think? Why do human beings throughout history hate, exclude, and discriminate against each other simply because of a different skin color? Setting aside moral judgments and social ethics, if we look inside the complex human brain from a scientific perspective, it reveals a truly chilling psychological secret that we cannot easily deny. In psychology, this universal phenomenon is called social categorization. To put it simply, our brains are incredibly lazy. Trying to deeply understand and analyze every single person we meet in daily life consumes an immense amount of mental energy. To overcome this, the brain instantly groups people based on the most intuitive and obvious visual information available, which is skin color. Black, white, Asian. The brain automatically creates these rigid compartments just to save its precious energy. The problem is, this lazy cognitive system is the very beginning of dangerous stereotypes and deep-seated prejudice. There is an even more chilling psychological experiment that proves this. Social psychologist Henri Tajfel gathered ordinary people and randomly divided them into two groups based on a simple coin flip or their personal preference for a certain painter. They didn't even know each other's names or faces, and there was absolutely no interaction between them. Yet, shockingly, a bizarre thing happened. People deliberately gave disadvantages to the opposing team and tried to give more money and rewards only to their own team simply because they were assigned to the same team. There was absolutely no conflict of interest or reason to fight. This proves that humans have evolved to instinctively divide the world into us and them, and to feel a strange sense of gratification and security by discriminating against them at the slightest excuse. Ultimately, racism and xenophobia are not just matters of individual morality or education, but a primitive defense mechanism and a critical cognitive error of the brain developed for survival during evolution. The primitive DNA that defined strangers as dangerous enemies to protect one's own small tribe still completely rules the modern human brain in the 21st century. So let me ask you this final question. Are you truly confident that you are completely free from this cruel, hardwired instinct of the human brain? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.